how to hide posts from friends on Facebook. So all you have to do is to go to your Facebook application here, and let's say this one, you will see share there. Tap on that. Now if you tap on that, before you can actually share now, on the upper part you will see feed and public. Tap on public there, and you can choose your audience. So as you can see, your friends on Facebook. Now since you don't want to to let your friends see your post, or you want to hide your post from your friends, then tap on only me, and then tap it as default audience, and tap on save, and then now you can share. Now here, go to your menu, go to your profile, and scroll down. As you can see here, you are now the only one who can see this post. So let's say you want to create a post from out from scratch here. Say hi, and then on the upper part you'll see three different options there. You'll see only me, album, and then turn off Instagram, turn off. Tap on only me there, and once if it's set on public or your audience is in public, tap on only me and tap on done, and then tap on post, and basically you have now hidden your post from your friends on Facebook. And basically that is all for today. If it doesn't work, make sure that you have updated your Facebook application to your App Store or your Play Store, depending on what device you have. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.